We met 13 years ago at a Starbucks near the Walmart. You was ordering a latte, I was yelling for a tart. We talked and shared and looked deep into each other's eyes. I wonder what it'd be like to kiss you, so I gave you a little surprise. We are now in our later years, laughing and loving every day. Now we're over 50, still chasing you around naked that same way. We both got divorced, but now we found our perfect life. Now we wonder where we'll travel next without the other strife. 13 years, 13 years, from caramel macchiatos to knee replacements, my dear. We've gone from skinny jeans to compression socks with cheer. We met at Starbucks, and somehow we're still here. Remember when we thought 50 was ancient and lame? Now we're all here comparing our cholesterol and our pain. Emma's on her third husband, Ron's on his fourth new back, and Greg still thinks he's 25 when he tries to do the dip. We talk about our grandkid, Squishy is her name. Then we order at the bar, whiskey gets rid of your pain. The barista looks at us like, didn't you people retire? I said, honey, we're just getting started. Time to light my fire. 13 years, 13 years, from oat milk lattes to yogurt and our pills. We've gone from what's your sign to what's your thrill. We met at Starbucks, and somehow coffee is still here. Yeah, we've survived Thailand, hot flashes and mood swings. We've buried parents, raised dogs, and still can't stop our fling. But every year I show up loud, wrinkled and proud, still ordering the same damn drinks, just a little louder now. 13 years, 13 years. We're older, we're slower, but we're still shifting gear. From pumpkin spice to Tums, we've come full circle, my dear. We met at Starbucks, and we're still ordering